Hello, this is me again for this third video for January 23rd, 2023. Right now, they're still working over there. So there's only about like two or three, only see about 3-4 people there. Yep, working. At least they're not chopping any more trees. Right now, it's about 10:57 in the morning. Almost approaching 11 o'clock. And it's still kind of cloudy and wet. Yeah. And see these men working? Yep, they are still doing it. Boy, I see these men are working. I think I see 3 of them. I don't see like 5 or 6 of them. I don't know. They're just putting up just the tiles and such. Sorry, I just got the giggles. Do you hear that hammering? Yep. These cats are really annoying that we got all the cats. Specifically 3 of them. I don't see any trucks around here. There's a garbage truck. Almost approaching 11 o'clock. That's not the truck noises there. It was a different truck. Bulldozer on the other side of the Laurel and 7th. That's not coming to here. No. That was the same bulldozer that was over here. That was gone since last week. Can't wait when this is all over. Maybe much later, after they leave, I'm gonna show you the aftermath of this, like we did before about 5 days ago on the other videos. I think I see one of them right now, like picking up trash and garbage after they just made a mess when they're working in this project for these several weeks. So it's like going back to the days when they built the Disneyland thing. It took like years to build it, from the late 40s, early 50s, until it was completed in 1954. Just like when they took years to build Disney World, it was finally completed in 1971. That's how 2021 they marked the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. This year for Disneyland could be the 69th year when it was built. Yep. So I hope you enjoyed this third video for January 23rd, 2023. We'll see you next time when I give you some more updates, and just stay tuned for more updates. Later, folks. Enjoy the videos.